Do you know a lot of people have gotten millions out of Facebook posts and even out of the small acts like what I'm doing right now? You can teach how people can do their baby hair like me, beginners. If you if I was taught right now, do you know you would earn money because I would need to know how to make it better? Do you know people with smartphones right now, they no longer go for a 9 to 12 hour job? So let me ask you, are you among the people you've been posting on Facebook for almost 5-7 years, but still at the end of the month you don't anticipate to have some money in your bank account? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been earning money with this smartphone using Facebook. I don't use any gadget like a camera. I don't use I've not gone to buy like a laptop, an expensive laptop. No. What I've decided to do, I decided to sit at the comfort of my home, get my phone, put data. I make sure that it is connected 24/7, and I used what I love. I used what I want people to understand. I used my skill to make sure that on a monthly basis I make money. That means that on a daily basis I made money and I make money. I want you to go to the comment section and tell me, do you know any of the person that consistently posts on Facebook every day? If you know that person, I want you to go silently ask that person. That person is earning damn good amount of money. Now, congratulations to Immaculate Show team. As we record this video, you have made 4 years on social media. When we are talking about social media, you can follow us on Immaculate Show social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. All we are there. What is our major objective? Our major objective is to make sure that we use financially and financial freedom, we get it out of our smartphone. And these social media platforms that come built in these smartphones like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This is a disclaimer, you guys. This video is for educational purposes and entertainment. It is not to impose you that these things are working, because they work on how you take them, how you treat them, how and which age do you have. So consider this video as educational video. To you who is watching, I'm giving you 10%. The 90% you can go deep down and look it for yourself. I want to share with you how I've been earning on Facebook, and I believe you are going to gain from it. So if you want really to know the truth, Facebook pays. And every person that you see on Facebook coming and has made it a habit to come, write post and do what, those people are earning money. How do we earn money on Facebook? In simple ways. This video is going to be a bit short but friendly, and with a very calming and friendly language. We earn on Facebook in different ways, and for 4 years this is what I've been doing. One, we earn by posting long videos, and when we are talking about long videos, I'm talking about videos on Facebook start from 3 minutes and above. So that is considered a long video. Then the second way I've been earning on Facebook, and tremendously, you can't believe, is by posting photos. So when we are starting Facebook, some people thought we are just doing I don't know, others called us names. Why do you she always post photos, she does this every time? Hardly me myself, I didn't know that they would be paying me photos. As you can see on this screenshot, you can see the money I've highlighted. That money is from photos. So you can earn money from photos. What you need to do, I always take clear pictures, and even if they are not clear, they will give you money. How much do I expect to earn from a photo? Mostly, if a photo takes up, the reach is okay and the engagement is okay, as in liking, as in sharing, commenting, immediately as you post, before 30 minutes, a photo gets $0.02, $0.01. So you're going to say it is small. What about you is posting on Facebook? How much are you earning? You might find even you're not earning anything. So how do you tell it that it's small? You have a capacity to earn $1,000 on Facebook, but you have to adhere to rules and regulations. And also you have to have what we call consistency, love of money. I can say love of money, because if you don't love to have money, you'll not get it. So that is the second way, photos. The third way I've been earning on Facebook is by stories. Stories was introduced recently. Can you believe? You just get a story, you put it there on Facebook, that story will be paid. But don't forget that everything we post, it has the threshold. When should it be paid? How should it be paid? So you might post a reel, you might post a story and it is not paid, and I post a story and it is paid. The good thing, you need to go and sit down and learn the monetization part and click of it. Let's now go and see the fourth way I earn on Facebook. I earn on Facebook by posting text. I came to learn of this. I even didn't know before. When I saw on 25th December, there's someone I follow from Kenya, but I think he's in European countries. This guy withdrew $550, and I went to his page. He had never posted a video, not a reel, but only text, not even photos. Sometimes he put photos, but then I started researching, and I came to learn people are earning out of text. So text, you can earn. What are the texts are we talking about? Like this video I've done, I am going to translate it now into a text, and it goes there. Then another way of earning is by reels. Reels can be from 0.5 seconds. Reels are put there and they also gain from there. Then a last one I've been earning on Facebook is by membership, subscription. People have been subscribing, and whoever subscribes, I get money out of it, and YouTube also takes some money. This is a pro tip I'm going to give you on our birthday, on our 4th birthday today. Get your smartphone, get access internet, get one idea every day, one topic every day. You can one topic every day, you can earn it in different ways, 5 ways, like that I've told you. You can earn it in reels, you can earn it in stories, you can earn it in video, you can earn it in a photo, you can earn all you can earn. Now, for example, this video I'm posting, if I'm to post it on Facebook, I'll post it as a video of 3 minutes to anything, and I post it in shorts, in reels, I post it in a text, I clip a photo out of this, I put a caption, and I also put something on my story. All this one is being paid. So now you've been asking yourself, how do we earn on Facebook? For you to start earning on Facebook, you have to reach the threshold. The threshold, but it has a bit changed. The threshold starts from 5,000 and also some amount of watch hours. But what I'll leave you with, please be consistent, because I've seen the algorithm rewards consistency. You will come and thank me later. Yes. What are the modes of payment? I'm paid through my bank account. So the moment you reach the threshold, you'll be told to set up your monetization. And if you want any help on monetization, you can DM me. I'll take you through on a cost. Thank you very much, you guys. Let's get our gadgets and start earning with Facebook. Bye-bye.